everyone. The sound we're going to do this time is a stretchy sound, and it's the sound N. Your turn. N. Well done. N. Excellent. See what pictures we've got today. So we've got a picture of a needle. You try that. Oh, this girl's wearing a pretty necklace. It is nose. Well done. And a net. And this net is going to help us to write the N sound today. So if you watch while I draw the N sound on the board, and we're going to say net. Now we need to make it look like a net. It's a football net. And here's the ball in the net. Now we need somebody to play football. And the little boy is called Nobby. Here's his head. And he's waiting for his friends to come so they can all play football together. So you ready to do it with me? Net. Again. Net. Excellent. Now this time we're going to write the sound N. So remember to stretch it as we write it. N. There we go. Let's have a look at our sound card to check it's the same. Here is the net. Can you see? Net. And here is the sound. N. Excellent. So, net. N. See if I can trick you today. You've been so good at doing this. So, net. Well done. Well done. Remember to stretch it. Excellent. Let's put it there so we can see it. Now, before we're going to write it, we're going to practice our sounds. Here they are. Here's our N that we need to hide in the middle of the pack. So let's push it in the middle. Hide it. So remember, these are our speed sounds. So we're going to go through them quite quickly. And when you find the N, a new sound, you need to point to it. Right? So what have we got? T. D. E. Did you remember the point? Our new sound. Ah. S. Back, let's go a bit faster. T. D. E. Good pointing. Ah. S. And back to T again. Excellent. So, we don't need our pen, we need our finger. Air writing. We'll practice it in the air first. And we practice the phrase that helps us to form our letter correctly. So, it's going to be down Nobby and over his net. Can you see? Down Nobby and over his net. So, air writing. Let's hear you saying it. Say it together. Down Nobby and over his net. Well done. Say it again. Down Nobby and over his net. Excellent. Now, you can get your pen or your pencil, and we're going to practice writing it on the board or on your paper. And if you want to spend a bit longer practicing, then you can pause the video. But remember, we need to say the rhyme. Down Nobby and over the net. Down Nobby and over the net. Down Nobby and over the net, down knobby and over the net. Okay? Excellent. Keep practicing at home. Remember to try and keep all of your letters the same size. Now, not only do we need to practice writing the N sound, we need to do some speed writing and practice writing some of the other sounds that we've been learning. So I'm going to rub these out quickly and think of some new sounds that you can practice writing. So I'm going to ask you to write round the apple, up the stalk, down the leaf. D. Round the dinosaur's tummy, up his neck, down his feet. And I'm going to say T. Down the tower, across the tower. Did you manage to do all of those? Did you remember to say the phrase to help you to form your letters correctly? I hope so. Now, here's Fred. And Fred has got some sounds for us today. Lots of words beginning with the letter N. Okay? But remember, Fred can only say the sounds. It's our job to push those sounds together to make the words. So, Fred. N, et. Net. Well done, everybody. N, ot. Not. Well done. Ooh. The N sound is not at the start of this word. Listen carefully and see if you can hear where the N sound comes. P, e, N. Pen. Well done. The N sound was at the end. One more, Fred. K, a, N. Can. And again, the N sound was at the end. Well done, everyone. See you next time.